This is no ordinary bird. Look closely, its face looks bearded, and it makes some truly unusual sounds. Meet the bearded reedling, also known as the bearded tit, a small bird living deep in the reeds and wetlands. Males have striking black beards on their cheeks, actually special feather markings that make them stand out. But here's what's fascinating. It changes its diet with the seasons. In summer, it feeds on insects, but in winter, it switches to seeds. That kind of adaptability is rare in small birds. And just look how it climbs reed stalks, agile, balanced, and full of charm. Tiny bird, big story. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.